Hi, in this episode we are going to learn how to add something inside the request using middleware. For example, inside this const my date, we can do something like request dot we can say date equal new date. Now, what can we do with this request.date? For example, let's say that we want to show, instead of get method, we want to print even the date. So we can do something like this, save, restart the server, and we are ready to go. Now, if we go back to Firefox and we resend this request, now we have get method and then we have the date.